Well, an American Red Cross in East Texas held a milestone event on Saturday where volunteers celebrated the installation of the region's 50,000th free smoke alarm during the Sound the Alarm event in Tyler. The effort by volunteers is to help families vulnerable to home fires in the East Texas area. The executive director of the American Red Cross East Texas chapter, Karen Holt, said people involved spent Saturday encouraging Tyler residents to always have working smoke alarms in their homes. She added the campaign has been critical in keeping locals safe.
Celebrating this 50,001 smoke alarm installation, I think it's about community awareness. You know, it's a celebration of lives saved, but it's also, we still have a lot more lives to save.
Holt said if you don't have a smoke alarm that's working in your home at the moment, she recommends getting one as soon as possible. She adds all you have to do is either call the local office or visit their website to sign up to get a free smoke alarm that volunteers will install for you.